Hola, soy Daniel, an ESL language instructor. Hoy voy a enseñarles adjetivos del español. These are essential to make descriptions within the hospitality industry and more. Let's get started. What is an adjective? They provide information about people, places, or things. Ella es amigable, she's friendly. El hotel es hermoso, the hotel is beautiful. El gerente está ocupado, the manager is busy. Adjectives, ser. We use the verb ser before an adjective when describing a physical characteristics or personality. Let's see some examples. Inteligente, intelligent, amable, amigable, friendly, trabajador, hardworking, organizado, organized, responsable, responsible. For example, ella es inteligente, she's smart, él es responsable, he's responsible. Adjectives, estar. We use the verb estar before an adjective when talking about temporary states, such as mood and location. Let's see some examples. Cansado, tired, enfermo, sick, feliz, happy, preocupado, worried, nervioso, nervous. For example, yo estoy feliz, I am happy. She is worried, ella está preocupada. Ser, estar, plus adjective. The meaning can change depending on the verb. Example, ella es muy feliz. This can mean she is a happy person. Ella está feliz. This can mean she is happy at the moment. For more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us. Until the next lesson.